Okay, this is on Trigo Differentiation Part 2. Okay, just note that we have learned all these things. Differentiate sine x, give me cosine x. Differentiate cosine x, give me negative sine x. Differentiate tangent x, give me secant square x. Okay, and I told you this thing on power trigo angle, PTA. Okay, let's look at the very first example. Y equals to sine 5x. Okay, do I need to do the power step? My power is sine 1, right? My power is 1. So technically, I don't need the power step. I can start with the trigo. Okay, differentiate sine, give me cosine, right? So cosine, I will leave the 5x. This is my trigo step. After trigo step, we are left with angle step. How do I differentiate the angle? Differentiate 5x will give me 5. Okay, multiply by 5. Of course, sum it up all together, my number put in front, bring it forward. Okay, 5 cosine 5x. So the next example, you realize that I have a power 2. Okay, and what this means is that I will simplify it first. Before we differentiate, we must simplify it first. What does it mean? Okay, I will take out the power 2 on the outside. So remember, for the power step, we will usually bring down power and power minus 1. Power minus 1 means power is 1. And then continue. Differentiate the trigo first. Differentiate sine will give me cosine. And then I will differentiate the angle. So this is how it is different. Of course, after that, I will simplify it further. Bring the 5 forward. 2 times 5, 10. So this is my final answer. Okay. Now power 3. The example has power 3. Okay, so what is power 3? If I simplify it, I will just take out the power first. Same thing, we are going to do the power trigo angle step. Okay, we will bring down power. Power minus 1 means what's the power of my 5 sine 5x? 2. Leave it here first. Then trigo. And then angle. Okay, now how do I just simplify everything? Okay, bring the 5 forward. Okay, my power 2 here, I will bring it inside again. Okay, because I don't want brackets. Okay, and then leave my cosine 5x. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, let's come to these questions, page 66. Okay, let's start with question A first. You see, I have a power 4. Remember, simplify it. What will I do to simplify? You see, I'll be very careful first. I will bring it out first. Okay, and my power 4 only applies to the cosine. Okay, so first step, I will bring down power minus 1. What should we do in the next step? Okay, differentiate cosine will give me negative sine. You need to continue after negative sign, remain the angle. Okay. Then after trigo, differentiate angle. Okay, what happens when I differentiate 5x over 9? My 5x over 9 actually is just 5 over 9 times x. Am I right? So differentiate 5 over 9x is just 5 over 9. So differentiate angle means multiply by 5 over 9. Now I will simplify everything. Okay, bring the 5 over 9 to the front. Bring all the numbers to the front. Multiply everything. I should get negative 20 over 3. My cosine, I will bring the power 3 inside. And then include my sine. Okay. Okay, so let's go through this question. Remember PTA. Okay, you need to go through all these 3 steps. Okay, and we have 2 terms. This sine power 5 and tangent power 2. Okay, remember before we actually differentiate, we need to add it, simplify it. Okay, means take out the power that I have a power term. So now just do the P step first. Let's do for the sine first. Bring down power 5, 2 times 5 will give me 10. Okay, power minus 1 becomes 4. Am I done with this? Okay, we need to differentiate the trigo. Differentiate sine becomes cosine, and then I keep my angle. And then, am I done? I need to continue. Differentiate the angle, right? I differentiate x over 1, differentiate x over root 3. Your x over root 3 technically is what? It's 1 over root 3 times x. So when I differentiate that, I will keep the constant. Means I will keep this. Okay? I'm done for the first one. Okay? Continue minus. Okay, bring down power of the tangent. Sorry, there's a mistake. It should be power 2 for the tangent. So if I power minus 1, it remains as power 1. Then differentiate tangent will give me secant square. Thank you. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. When I bring down power, it should be 5 times 2, 10. Okay, but I'll continue. Differentiate the angle. Differentiate angle, give me 2. Okay, now everything I will sum it up, okay, and simplify it. Now this is my final answer after I simplify. Okay, remember I brought the power 4 inside.